Welcome back, viewers! This is part 3 of our series on book restoration. Before we proceed, we will give you a short recap of what we presented before. In our first video, we showed you the actual condition of the book. We identified the problems and discussed what our restoration goals were. In our second video, we showed the process of unbinding the book and removing the casing. And now, this video will show you mechanical surface cleaning and guarding of signatures. In bookbinding terminology, a signature, also known as a section or gathering, is a group of sheets folded in half to be worked into a binding as one unit. In this video, we are going to show you how we carefully put Japanese tissue paper or kozo paper along the edge of the spine of every signature. We call this process guarding. We carefully remove the dirt accretions or accumulations by brushing each page using a soft brush, starting from the bottom all the way to the top of the book. We do this process very patiently, especially in thick books like this one. This procedure will help strengthen the fold section of the outer page of the signature. Furthermore, it will help strengthen the previous sewing holes as well. This procedure is what we need the most to achieve a very good binding result, especially for thick books like this one. And this is the outcome after the entire process of surface cleaning and guarding of every signature. As you can see, this is now ready for rebinding. So that will be all for now, and in our next video, we're going to show the patching process of this book by Miguel Cornejo. See you soon!